Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. Today we're looking at the Sensex index, which is the Indian stock market. You've seen this chart before if you follow the channel. I did a parabolic line. I called the top here a double top in sync with these Gann cycles, and I told you 2 weeks ago it was going to sell off, start a correction. I'm just following up today to show you that it is happening, that the Gann stuff is working, and it's not just this chart. I have 27 charts in my Gann report on the Sensex. This is just one of those charts. Here's another one, a 52-week cycle from high to high. Every 52 weeks you get some sort of turn, and I told clients that, hey, very likely in mid-February, you're going to form another a lower high, setting up a waterfall decline. Now, if you want to see the rest of the charts, you're going to have to subscribe, but let me make it easy for you. If you go to the website, you'll see this page, www.GannAnalysis.net. You see this page, and if you become a client, you'll notice that you'll have access to all the reports, and I cover pretty much all markets globally. If we don't cover a market that you're interested in, you tell us and we'll cover it. Now, as an example, I'm just going to show you the Sensex. You can see here's a lot of text, and down here I have 3 different PDFs. You can see on March 3rd, today, I covered the Sensex. On February 18th, I covered the Sensex, and on February 9th. The reason I include all 3 of these in this report is to show clients, hey, this Gann stuff really works. There are 27 charts. I haven't really changed them because the Gann stuff really works. I just included all 3 charts to show you the progression of the markets as it responded to the Gann charts. Now, again, if you become a client, you'll have access to this, and you're saying, well, I don't know about this service. I don't want to spend too much money. Here's the deal. If you hit this shop button in the upper right corner, you'll see as it changes, you'll be given a choice of, you can take it for 3 months for $200, 1 month for $100, or if you click on this one, there's a promotion right now, 30% discount for new clients. You type in 7J22KJCZ into the coupon code, and it'll drop. Actually, this should be just one. It had a quantity of 2, but it should be 1, and it'll be $200, and it'll drop to $140. So if you, let me update the cart here. Let's see if it does that. Yeah, okay, $200. And then once you put in that coupon code, it'll drop to $140. Now remember, this is just for new clients for your first 3 months. And if you don't want to do 3 months, you can do it for 1 month. Instead of paying $100 for 1 month, you'll pay $70, which is the 30% discount. So I just want to encourage you to try it out, especially if you're interested in the Indian stock market, because I'm telling you, the charts are phenomenal. Every single chart. There are 27 Gann charts. It will blow you away. To my knowledge, and I'm not bragging on myself, I'm bragging on WD Gann, there is no other technical charting discipline that comes anywhere close to Gann. Bar none. There's nothing that comes close to Gann. I mean, it called the Sensex like you cannot believe. And you will be amazed, one chart after another, showing you different tools that Gann would use to forecast the market. And they're all hitting like clockwork. I mean, it's just unbelievable. So if you have any doubts, take advantage of that 30% discount. Try it out for $140 for 3 months, or $70 for 1 month. Just check it out. You'll have access to all the reports, not just the Indian stock market, but notice here we cover the NYMEX crude futures, gold, S&P. Then this is just today. We also had feeder cattle futures. You have a complete list of categories that we cover. You can go through the categories, and if what you are interested in is not listed, you tell us and we'll cover it. So, we're not limited by what's in this list. We can cover anything that you're interested in. If you become a client, we will go out of our way to make sure you see the markets that you're interested in during the time frame, your trial subscription, whether it be 1 month or 3 months. You will see the markets you're interested in, and I'm telling you, it will amaze you. Now is the time to pull the trigger because the markets are volatile, and Gann works especially well with volatile markets. The more volatility, the better for Gann. That's how it works. Good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful, and look to see you soon. Remember, hit the shop button and select the period you want, 3 months or 1 month. Try it out. I don't think you'll be disappointed.